Hey everyone. So this one came out a while ago, but it recently won some Oscars, so why the hell not? Today's review is Dallas Buyers Club. Based on a true story, Dallas Buyers Club is about a man named Ron Woodruff. In 1985, he is diagnosed with AIDS and given 30 days to live. He is put in a test program for a new drug, but it only makes him worse. He drives to Mexico, where he meets a doctor who had his license revoked in the US. The doctor tells Ron that the drug he is taking is poisonous and instead prescribes him drugs that are not approved in the States. He decides to form a club where people can purchase memberships for a flat rate and receive the drugs they need. This movie does a good job of giving you an idea what the attitude towards AIDS was like back then. When word gets out that Ron has AIDS, he is shunned by his family and friends and loses his job. He himself refuses to believe it when he is told, as he thought it was a disease only homosexuals got. But what really shines in this role is the acting. Matthew McConaughey plays the lead role and he is excellent. A lot have already pointed out his career resurgence in the last few years, but it really is incredible. What a lot of people forget is that back in the 90s when he first came on the scene, he was seen as a very promising actor. But then he started doing romantic comedies, and to be fair, most of them were successful at the box office. But after a while, he became sort of a joke, with people noting how much of his screen time was spent shirtless. Well, he must have woken up one day and decided he wanted to do good movies, as he began starring in smaller films and taking on supporting roles, receiving plenty of acclaim for his performances. Nobody would have seen this coming just 5 years ago. Now, thanks to Dallas Buyers Club, he has an Oscar, and you can see why. He reportedly lost 47 pounds for this role, and he looks very sickly. What I really liked about his performance and the way the character was written is the way Ron progresses throughout the film. At the start of the film, he's more or less a homophobic asshole, and when he first starts the Buyers Club, he's still uneasy with him and is doing it for the money, but he gradually changes his attitude as he meets more and more of them. It's well done because it feels real. You see a natural progression in him throughout the movie, and other than a couple of scenes, it's done subtly. And while he softens his edge, you can argue that he never becomes entirely tolerant and continues to do the right thing for the wrong reasons, and I like that it lets the audience decide how they feel about him as a person. Jared Leto plays Rayon, a trans woman who Ron partners up with. The best thing I could say about his performance is that I kept forgetting it was him. Leto's been largely absent from the big screen lately as he focuses on his band, but he returns here to remind us what a talented actor he is. There's a few parts in Dallas Buyers Club where it maybe goes a little too far into Oscar Beatty type preachy melodrama, but for the most part it managed to get the point across without hammering you over the head with it. It's done with respect to the story and to the audience, and is worth seeing for the performances alone. So there you have it. It's a well-made movie that reminds us of the enormous strides medical science and healthcare have made since the 80s, but also that we still have a long way to go. It's mostly out of theaters right now, but I recommend giving it a look when you can. Thanks for watching.